Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are going to solve a problem that was the question of the day in Geeks for Geeks. So, if you are new to the channel, just hit the like and subscribe button and share this video as much as possible. So, the question is write a program to find the sum of the given series 1 plus 2 plus 3 till n terms. So, the thing is, in a very simple way, what we have to do is if the user give 3, if the user give value 3, then I am going to add 1 plus 2 plus 3. If the user will give me 5, then I will add 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. So this is basically what it's saying is like you have to find the sum of the natural number till n terms, and what will be the n terms? The user will give me that term. So I don't know what will be the nth term. So first we have to take input from user. So we will be using scanner class here. So let's start. Here, this is my class. First, I'm going to make a variable. First, I'm going to make a variable that I give the name n because the user will give me the value. So for the simplicity, so I will give it a name n. Now, I'm going to take another variable. In that variable, I'm going to store my result. So int sum, another variable. First, I'm going to give it 0. Okay, so now I have two variables. First one is n that user will give me. Second one is sum that I use to store. Okay, now what we are going to do is we will use scanner class. We are going to use scanner class. Scanner sc, you can give it any name. This is my object name. I make the object of scanner class, so you can give any name. I give sc, you can give ac, dc, anything you can give it, no worries. Now here scanner wait, I left the new keyword. This is how we make a object in Java. So here I will give system dot in. Why system dot in? Because I'm taking the input from the user by system. I'm taking the input, so system dot in. Here it is not giving me an error because I already import the statement. Because if you don't import this statement, you cannot use scanner class because scanner class is not in the default package of Java. So if you want to use this class, you have to import this statement, import java.util.scanner. So this is not in the default lang package. Okay, so I make a object here of the scanner class. Now what we are going to do is we are going to take the user from input. What is my object name? Sc. Here my object name is sc. Now sc dot next int. It will store the coming integer value from the user. Now the user gave me the value, but I did not store it anywhere else. So I will store it in my n. I will store it in my this variable. So in my n, user will give me the value and I'm gonna store it to this variable, to my variable. Now I have the n. Okay. Now I will run the for loop. So here we are also going to use for loop concept. This is how the structure of for loop looks like. So for int I is equal to 0, and then what, int I is less than equal to n, then I plus plus. So here I left the semicolon. Now my for loop is done. Now my half of the work is done. Now I will store it in my variable sum is equal to sum plus what, I. Yeah, now my code is complete. Now I'm going to print. Oh, we already did something, but we did not ask user to give me the input. We directly took the input, so it does not look correct, right? So we are going to ask the user to give the input. Okay, give the n. So I will print uh, here. I will give a print statement, and we will be asking user. So give me some number. Give uh, me a number I will return you the sum. I will return you the sum. Okay, so I ask user that give me some number, I will return you the sum. Let's I don't know what happened. So now it is visible to you guys. So this line, give me some number, I will return you the sum. Okay, now here we are going to print this. Now user will give me the number, I will store it in my variable, then I will run a loop, and then I will add it. I will do the dry run also, don't worry, I will make you understand, don't worry, I will dry run also this code. So now what we are going to do is we are going to we already know the sum, but now we are going to print this to the user. Print ln here. Here the result is space plus here what you can guess it sum. Now we are going to run this code. Let's hope here. Now give we are asking to the user, give me a number, I will return you the sum. Okay, now user will give, like user is giving me 3. Okay, now I will press enter. The result is 6. How 6? Here 3. User will give me 3. So 1 plus 2 plus 3. So 3 plus 2 5 and 5 plus 1 6. If user will give me here, if I run this code again, if user will give me 4, the sum is 10. How? Let's see here. If here 4, user gave me 4, so 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus 2 9, 9 plus 1 10. So this is how it works. So I hope you understand this video. This video has uh, this question came in Geek for Geeks question of the day. So I hope you understand, and if you do understand, please do comment. I really love to read. I already every day I try to read your comments, and if you share this video, please do subscribe, and happy learning. We will be meeting in the next video. So bye bye guys.